Welcome to our comprehensive guide on setting up your U.S. bank checking account. Let's explore the types of accounts available and their key features. Before you open an account, let's go over the eligibility requirements. We'll see who can qualify and what is needed to start your banking journey. Here's a list of documents that you need to prepare before starting your application. Ensuring you have these ready will make the process smoother. Now, let's go through the step-by-step process of setting up your account online. It's quick and simple. Follow along. If you prefer to set up your account in person, here's what you can expect when you visit a U.S. bank branch. Understanding the initial deposit requirements is essential. Let's talk about the minimum amounts and options available for you. We'll now discuss how to enroll in online banking. This service will help you manage your account with ease. Let's take a look at the features of the U.S. Bank mobile app and how to navigate through it efficiently. Now that your account is set up, here are some best practices for maintaining it effectively. In conclusion, we've covered everything you need to know to set up your U.S. bank checking account. We hope this guide helps you make informed decisions.